If you are struggling to unblock someone on Instagram, in this video I will show you the fastest way to do that. But make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all you'll have to head over to Instagram app on your phone. You can follow the same steps if you are on an iPhone or an Android as well. Then you'll have to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen, and after that you'll have to tap on those three lines on the top right corner of the screen to head over to the settings of your Instagram account. And then you'll have to scroll down a bit, and in who can see your content section you'll be able to find an option of blocked. You'll have to tap on it, and basically it will show you all the accounts that you have blocked on Instagram. And right in front of each contact or each account you'll be able to find an option of unblock that you can use to unblock that account. For example, I have only got one account that I have blocked on Instagram. I will simply tap on unblock in front of it, and I'll have to tap on unblock again, and this account will be unblocked. I hope this helped you out. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel, and comment below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.